G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Dave's RC Garage. Today I've got another HSP to look at. Let's get into it. Alright, so what we have here is another HSP, and as you see by the title, you know it's the Storm short course truck, which actually isn't shown on here. But we'll have a look around the rest of the box because this is a different box than the 110 stuff I've got so far. I've got their four-wheel drive short course there. Monster truck, Wolverine, and what's in here? Another monster truck, and on the back of their list of all their different cars. So this is a slightly bigger box. Now we'll get this open. There we go. And we have our short course truck. First thing out, got a spare sheet of stickers, even though there are stickers on the window by the looks of it. I guess you get it for the riding or that. Right, the truck out, which conveniently it wasn't cable tied because there's some extras in here. I'll go that in a second. Got our standard charger, so no, that goes straight in the bin. Of course, if that's all you got, then yeah, at least you got something. But invest a bit of extra money and get a good charger and get rid of this thing. And in the bottom of the box we have a parts list, like a basic instruction, and a spare battery. Okay, well that's a bit different. Normally only get like 1800 or 2000 milliamp in these sort of cars. A 3000 pack. Okay, interesting. So that's it from the box. They're all empty there. Next thing I want to have a quick look at is what's in the instructions. So it says radio, basically troubleshooting and quick start guide, which I guess tells you how to turn the car on that, and then just your basic breakdown. Well, much better breakdown diagrams than your other kits, and all your parts. Okay, so that's everything in the box. I hear you saying, isn't there something missing? And yes, so far I haven't found the radio. So let's get this body off, which I don't know if this, oh yes, it's over the body pins. There's that one. Because I could see something in here in plastic when I pulled it out. And the body, look, there we go. Very well sealed. This is not the radio you're looking for. Alright, okay. That's different than the other Nitro one. That's the old Nitro one, which I thought this was just the same copy, but yeah, they've actually changed up the design just a little bit. I like the metallic blue there behind the wheel. And yes, it needs 4 batteries. Much better. So yeah, so it looks like it's got all your basic controls there. So it'll do the job. I've had no problem with these HSP radios. Okay, and on to the car. We're taking the body off, but it's nothing special. It's just a standard looking short course body. But it'll do the job for running it. Now, the chassis itself. Very standard layout. Battery down the middle. Rear motor, which is pretty old school now, but is what it is. It feels nice. Not totally open. Not just for, yes, I think this has a steel diff in it. Steering and front suspension. It is a shame that there's no adjustable turnbuckles, but it's got about, it's hard to tell there, but about 0, maybe a touch of toe out, which is what I like, so that's okay. Same with the rear, no adjustability on the top link there. These are things you can look at down the track. Battery already mounted in there, that is a 2000, that's usually what you get. On the chassis, all normal sort of stuff. It does look very similar to a older RC short course truck that I've had before. Not exactly the same, but very similar. So I'm expecting this to go alright. Suspension. Yep. Front definitely feels a lot firmer. The back's a bit softer, but this is where you want a bit more rear traction. It feels nice. Alright, I'm going to get the body on this. I'm going to go give it a few runs, because the first run will just be going very slow braking in this brush motor. And then, nice and sticky. Only thing I noticed, I don't have foams, which is a bit of a bummer. But yeah, I'm going to go give it a couple of runs, nice and easy, and then you'll see a bit of footage, and then I'll be back afterwards, after I've run it a few times, and let you know what I think. So after taking this truck around St. Ives track, as you've seen, it gets around quite well. That was with the standard battery that it comes with. I have also run it there with a LiPo in racing conditions, and it didn't do too bad against actual racing trucks. But there is a few things that I've found out about this truck since, when looking at the Mongoose, that I'll go into a future video. Nothing that's going to take away from this truck terribly, but something that sort of surprised me and yeah, didn't rub too well. But we'll go over that in a future video when I compare this to the Mongoose. So if you want to see that, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.